half of all fatal crashes happen at night, even though far fewer people are actually driving after dark. Think about how insane that is. You could be driving home from work, heading out on a road trip, or doing a late-night Uber shift, and one reckless driver with no headlights, a drunk driver drifting lanes, or someone who hits your parked car and disappears can completely change your life. And here's the scary part. A lot of dash cams look great during the day. Bright sunlight, clear roads, easy footage. But night driving? That's where cheap cameras completely fall apart. Blurry license plates, headlight glare, grainy footage, and suddenly, the one piece of evidence you needed becomes useless. That's why this video matters. Today we're breaking down the best night vision dash cams that actually perform when roads get dark. We're comparing 4K monsters, discrete budget options, rideshare-focused cameras, and full 3-channel systems to figure out which one deserves your money. And trust me, one of these cameras sounds incredible on paper, but has a major weakness you need to know before buying. Links are in the description if you want pricing and availability. Let's jump in. First, quick reality check. Night performance isn't just about resolution. A lot of people see 4K and instantly assume better quality. Not always. Sensor quality matters. HDR matters. How well it handles headlight glare matters. Even processing software matters. A bad 4K camera can still lose plate details at night. That's why this ranking focuses on real-world night driving performance, not marketing claims. Starting at number 6. At number 6, we have the ROVE R2-4K Dual. This camera is built for people who want raw night clarity, and the biggest reason is the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. That sensor is a major upgrade over older night vision systems because it handles dark roads and bright headlights much better. That matters during situations like highway driving, where oncoming traffic can completely wash out footage on weaker cameras. And here's where this gets practical. Let's say someone rear-ends you at night and drives off. You need footage fast. The ROVE's 5G Wi-Fi makes downloading clips incredibly fast directly to your phone. No sitting in your car waiting forever. No pulling out memory cards. That convenience is underrated. It also includes a 128GB memory card, which saves extra money up front. But here's the catch. Its parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit. That's frustrating because many buyers assume it works fully out of the box. Still, if night plate clarity is your top priority, this camera is extremely strong. At number 5 is the 70mm A500S. This is the camera for people who want balance. And honestly, this one is smarter than many buyers realize. Instead of chasing massive 4K files, it records in 2.7K. That gives you better clarity than basic 1080p cameras while keeping storage usage manageable. That means longer recording history before footage gets overwritten. Its Sony IMX335 sensor performs surprisingly well at night. HDR helps control bright headlights. Tunnel transitions look cleaner, and built-in GPS plus Wi-Fi makes installation much cleaner compared to cameras that require external modules. But there's a downside. The ADAS alerts can become annoying fast in city driving. Lane departure warnings every few minutes can drive people crazy. Still, for daily commuters who want reliable night footage without huge storage demands, this is a very smart option. At number 4 is the Vantrue E1 Lite. This camera is tiny, and that's exactly why some drivers will love it. It hides neatly behind your rearview mirror. Less windshield clutter, less theft detection, cleaner setup. Its magnetic mount is one of the coolest features here. If you park in risky areas, you can quickly remove it. That's incredibly practical. Voice control is another huge win. Need to lock footage? Just use your voice. No taking your hands off the wheel. Now here's the trade-off. It only records in 1080p. That's fine for general evidence, but if you're trying to capture distant license plates at night, it falls behind the higher resolution options. This one is best for drivers who value convenience and stealth over maximum footage detail. At number 3, we have the Front Plus Cabin Dual Dash Cam. This camera is built for rideshare drivers, Uber, Careem, taxi drivers, food delivery drivers, anyone. constantly dealing with passengers. Its biggest feature is interior infrared night vision. Even in total darkness, cabin footage stays visible. That can protect you during false complaints, theft situations, or passenger disputes. Parents with teenage drivers may also love this. You can monitor driving behavior and in-car distractions. But here's the limitation. Front recording is only 1080p. That means it won't capture night license plates nearly as well as premium 4K options. This camera wins because of interior security, not front video dominance. At number 2, we have the REDTIGER F7 NP. This one hits a sweet spot that many buyers want. 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera, GPS, Wi-Fi, large display, and strong night performance. The large screen makes setup much easier compared to smaller dash cams. That sounds minor, until you're adjusting angles in your driveway for 20 minutes. Its night footage performs extremely well for the price, and for many people, the difference between this and ultra-premium models may not justify spending more. But here's why it missed number 1. It still focuses heavily on front and rear recording, and for some drivers, total coverage matters more than slightly sharper front footage. That brings us to number 1, the front, rear, and inside 3-channel dash cam. And this one wins because it protects you from almost every angle possible. Front camera, rear camera, interior camera. Everything gets recorded simultaneously. That matters more than people think. Imagine someone rear-ends your parked vehicle. Rear cam catches it. Passenger causes problems, interior cam catches it. Front collision, front cam catches it. That's real peace of mind. Its infrared interior night vision performs extremely well in darkness, and the included parking mode makes it even better for overnight protection. Now yes, it doesn't offer the razor-sharp 4K plate capture of the ROVE R2-4K Dual or REDTIGER F7 NP. That's the compromise. You trade maximum sharpness for total protection coverage. And for many drivers, that's absolutely worth it. Here's the thing most people get wrong. They overspend chasing 4K numbers without thinking about how they actually drive. If you're a rideshare driver, interior cameras matter more. If you do highway driving at night, better sensors matter more. If your car sits outside overnight, parking mode matters more. Buy based on your real life, not marketing hype. So here are the final winners. Best night clarity. ROVE R2-4K Dual. Best balanced value. 70 Mi A500S. Best discrete option. Vantrue E1 Lite. Best rideshare option. Front plus cabin dual cam. Best 4K value. REDTIGER F7 NP. Best overall security. 3-channel dash cam. Check the links in the description because prices change all the time, and some of these go on sale pretty aggressively. And if this video helped you avoid buying the wrong dash cam, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.